Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about the Nintendo Switch 2 and when you can play it. Now, on the official trailer, it's been slated that it's going to be releasing in 2025. So, of course, this year, right? But the exact release date has not been announced yet. So, what month, what day, what time, what second, all of those we don't know yet. Now, of course, this is not going to be a mystery for long. The Switch 2 release date will be announced at a later date during a Nintendo Direct, and during this Nintendo Direct, there'll be a lot more things that's gonna come up as well, like what the specs, the details, the body, the games that's gonna be coming out. All of those will be revealed later during at the Nintendo Direct, and these includes the specific release date and not something fake like 2025. When they do announce when the actual release date is, my guess is that you can also pre-order the Nintendo Switch 2 later at the Nintendo's official website and or store. Now, you can see the Nintendo Switch Experience host cities and schedule. You can try out the Nintendo Switch 2, but you'll have to go to the Nintendo Switch 2 Experience. It's like a con. Think of it like PAX or E3, if anyone remembers that. You can try it out here, but it's just a demo, right? So if you want to get your hands on the Nintendo Switch 2, it will be releasing this year, but the specific date will have to wait. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.